Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn what are pivot tables. So let's get started. Pivot table is a functionality in Excel which helps you organize and analyze data. It lets you add and remove values, perform calculations, and to filter and sort data sets. It helps you to structure and organize data to understand large data sets. Data should be in tabular format. Pivot table has four main components, that is column, the vertical tabular which includes data headers, rows, the horizontal tabular data in which the same row data is related, filters, this is used to select what data you see. Then we have values which defines how you present the data. You can define how to summarize and show the values. The table pivot is displayed how by your setting. The pivot table field panel is used to change how you see the data. The settings can be separated into that is fields and layout. First we have fields. The checkboxes can be selected or unselected to display or change the property of the data, whereas layout, drag and drop fields to the boxes to the right to display data in the table. You can drag them to the four different boxes that we mentioned earlier, that is filter, rows, columns and values. This was all about pivot table. We will learn how to create a pivot table using a sample data set in upcoming sessions. So look forward to my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.